Today I'm going to show you how to check whether your WhatsApp has been linked to a different device. Now this can help you to know whether someone is spying you or someone is tracking your message. Now, in order for you to know whether your WhatsApp has been linked to a different device, now the first thing that you need to do is to check whether it is true. So what you have to do is that you have to just go to the three dots at the top here, and now you come to link devices. Now, as you can see from my own, you realize that my device or my WhatsApp has been linked to different device. Now, if you check on the history here or the status of the device, you can see I've connected my WhatsApp to my Google Chrome that is on a Windows machine. As you check also on the Windows, you will see that the last active was on February. That was also on another Windows machine. So here, when you come to your WhatsApp and you realize that you are seeing some activities here, that should tell you that your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp chat has been linked to a different device. Now, the moment you see that, you just have to log yourself out from here. Now, this enables others to track your messages. So when you come here and you realize that your WhatsApp has been linked to a different device, that you suspect that it is not you that link it, you can just tap on it like this, and then you go to log out. Now, the moment you say log out, it will log you out from that device that is connected to your WhatsApp. So you can see the logout is pending. So here too, you can just go out and just say log out. All right, so you can do this thing to check and make sure that you are safe. Now, this is what people do whenever they take your WhatsApp. You know, someone that you don't know might just pick up your WhatsApp and then just go to the three dots here, and now they will go to link device. Now they will tap on the link device and they can connect your WhatsApp account to any device, and then they will be monitoring you from whatever chat that you'll be having without you knowing that someone is monitoring you. So please always check here whether your WhatsApp account has been linked to any device, and then quickly you log it out. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been very useful unto you. So please kindly share this video to also help and educate others, and don't forget to subscribe if today happens to be your first time. Now keep watching my videos. Bye bye.